There's a big old massive tree outside my prison walls. I sit and watch it every day and night, standing tall. It's not that I am jealous of it being outside the jail. It's not going anywhere aside in the belly of the whale. But today the skies are dark and the rains might be hail. Today the storm is bending that old trunk, thick and stale. On display, the force of God, monumental clash for sure. Trying to maintain the grace, control that mighty posture. Darkened colors, green and brown, tumbling down. That's what I want. I'm jealous of that, to be open and exposed to you, oh God, to you with the wind and the rain. Let me unfold. I won't prove that life is abundant, not a meal for the condemned. 'Cause I can't accept man being our own source and not our own end. I don't even mind these walls, but I curse these concrete floors. They've been polished so many times, they're like glass, those endless halls. Reevaluate rebellion once and for all. But to tread the soil and dirt, or to wade a gentle creek, water current is uniform as the wind on my cheek. But in here and within me, the attacks from anywhere. At any time, my enemies lurking. Do I dare? God, your love displayed through me. Can I stand here in your way? Bulldozer over me, I yield to you, okay? But you are gentle, you come inside me, our hearts flood with light. You can see my every stronghold, I yield without a fight. So move me like your bride, unveil me forevermore. And there won't be no parade, but I won't let roots in concrete suffocate. Your spirit lives in me, and your love for me is real. Life I live in here has your eternal seal. Let me stretch my branches to you, sink my roots in your soil. The width, the height, the length, and the depth of your Father love. Can I be you in this hole? Can I breathe your respiration? I know I'm useless to the world I live